name's Stephanie from stephanieknaturals.com, and I'm going to tell you how to know when to wear different types of perfume. Essentially, it's an issue of what's appropriate for the venue you're going to. If you're going to the office, you probably don't want to wear the same perfume that you would wear on a night out, something kind of deep and sultry. You would want to wear something that's light and not terribly diffusive, something that's a little more personal. It's like a concert. You don't want something that's going to be bothering everyone else with, when it diffuses with all the heat. If you're being outdoors, then it's not so much of an issue. But just choose a perfume that fits the place and the people that you're going to be visiting with. So something light and airy is probably more appropriate for a daytime wear, and something a little more adventurous is better for nighttime wear.